We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with the Lexmark CX417de. So with this printer, there's really only one place that you will be able to remove the jam yourself. So you'll want to open this little front hatch here. You want to be very, very careful when you're touching this because it will be hot. The paper would literally be right here. Just pull up and out. Make sure you're very gentle and you don't pull really fast or anything like that because you could damage some parts and cause more jams. If you guys are in need of a service or supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.